I welcome you all in this video where you will learn about how the government uses fiscal policy measures to control inflation. After watching this video, you will be able to explain the term inflation, explain the use of fiscal policy measures to control inflation, and differentiate between fiscal policy and monetary policy. Inflation means generally an unduly high and persistent rise in the general level of prices over a period of time. We can say it is the sustained rise in the prices of goods and services. An inflation rate is the percentage rate of increase of the level of prices during a particular period. Increases in the prices of a single commodity is not inflation, whereas if prices of all goods and services in general increases, we can call it inflation. When the general price level rises, each unit of currency buys fewer goods and services. Thus, inflation results in loss of value of money. As inflation rises, every rupee you own buys a smaller percentage of a good or a service. Inflation beyond a moderate rate is bad and often prove disastrous for an economy. Therefore, it must be kept under control. The various policy measures generally adopted for controlling inflation in an economy are fiscal policy measures, monetary policy measures, and price and wage control measures. Out of these three, fiscal and monetary policy measures are the important measures which a government take to control inflation. Let us try to understand the difference between these. Fiscal policy deals with the taxation and expenditure decisions of the government, whereas monetary policy deals with the supply of money in the economy and the rate of interest. In most modern economies, the government deals with the fiscal policy, whereas central bank of the country is responsible for the monetary policy. In India, we have Reserve Bank of India, which is looking after the monetary policy in our country. The two main instruments of fiscal policy are changes in the level and composition of taxation and government spending in various sectors. Whereas in the monetary policy, major instruments include bank rate, reserve ratios, liquidity adjustment facility, marginal standing facility, and open market operations. Let us now understand how the government uses fiscal policy measures to control inflation. When inflation is too strong, the economy may need a slowdown. In such a situation, a government can use fiscal policy to increase taxes to suck money out of the economy. With the increase in direct taxes like income tax, more taxes are to be paid to the government, which means less money will be available for the public to spend on different goods and services. When the general public is having less money to be spent on goods and services, demand for unnecessary goods and services will cut down. As a result, prices of those goods and services will come down and the government can control inflation. Similarly, government can use the fiscal policy to dictate a decrease in government spending and thereby decrease the money in circulation. If government decreases the government spending, the free services which earlier the public was getting, now they have to pay for those goods and services. As a result, less money will be available for them for buying goods and services, and as a result, demand for those goods and services will come down. As a result, price will be controlled and thus inflation is controlled. In case of a deflationary situation, tax rates may be reduced or government spending may be increased for increasing the money supply in the market. Monetary policy is the process by which the monetary authority of a country controls the supply of money, often targeting an inflation rate or interest rate to ensure price stability and general trust in the currency. In our country, Reserve Bank of India is the monetary authority which decides the monetary policy for controlling inflation and ensuring the price stability and general trust in the currency. Further goals of our monetary policy are to contribute to economic growth and stability, to lower unemployment, and to maintain predictable exchange rates with other currencies. There are different measures which are used by the RBI in its monetary policy, and it includes cash reserve ratio, statutory liquidity ratio, liquidity adjustment facility, term repos, marginal standing facility, open market operations, bank rate, and moral suasion. In this video, we have learned how the government uses the fiscal policy measures to control inflation and what are the different measures of monetary policy. You will learn more about these measures of monetary policy in another video where each and every tool will be explained. Let us check what we have learned in this video with the help of some multiple choice questions. And the question number 1 is, policy measures generally adopted for controlling inflation may include option A, fiscal policy measures, B, monetary policy measures, C, price and wage control measures, D, all of the above. And the right answer is D, all of the above. Which of the following organization deals with the fiscal policy to control inflation? Option A, commercial banks, B, Reserve Bank of India, C, government, D, none of the above. And the right answer is C, government. Which of the following organization is responsible for the monetary policy to control inflation? A, commercial banks, B, Reserve Bank of India, C, government, D, none of the above. And the right answer is B, Reserve Bank of India. When inflation is too strong, a government can use fiscal policy to A, increase taxes, B, decrease government spending, C, increase taxes and decrease government spending, D, none of the above. And the right answer is C, increase taxes and decrease government spending. Thank you for watching this video.